Alright guys, so we have like some lightning here. Yeah, sorry. It always does this. Whether I zoomed out or zoom in, then it turned the brightness down. But there is some lightning here. Oh, I just got that. So so make sure you subscribe to my channel, drop a like, and click the notification bell so you will get notified. Yeah, we have a severe thunderstorm warning. Earlier it was about like it was probably about like 2 hours ago. Is that right? Yeah, I think I did set it right. No, it's like 1.5 hour ago. Yeah, that's it. Oh, that was a good shot. Oh, sweet. I got one. Hopefully I'll get another one. So I'll stay right about there. And I did zoomed in about times 1.9, so I did zoomed in, so you will see a lot better. Yeah, this lightning will show it right here what I was staring at. This is here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. This this lightning. Oh, I just got that. I think that was a lightning strike on into me. Okay, maybe I should probably not look at the screen. So yeah, since it's focusing right here, I'll focus on the lightning. Says that they I got it like 2 times. All right. Okay, this will be good right here. Oh, sweet. I just saw that. Yeah, there's another lightning in the south. Yep, this is here in the southeast of Sioux Falls, South Dakota. There we go. I must have scooted up just a little bit, but if I wanted to, it's totally fine. Oh, I saw that. So that was like the fourth time. I don't know where the airplane is at. I just heard it, but I couldn't even see it. I don't know where it went because I just don't know. Nice. That's the fifth time. That was like 5 times now in about 4.5 minutes. That was cool. Okay, it's 1:18 a.m. Yeah, and all of my lights are off, so you'll see a lot better with the with the lights off. Okay. At least it's like 5 times. So, yeah, there's gonna be more storms firing up there because with all that heat, oh, we got. Oh, I just saw that one. That's the 6th time now. Wow, that is perfect to be recording this. I'm not sure where it's at now because I couldn't tell. I cannot let it block it on my hand. I'll try to hold still on this. Okay, yeah, there is still more. Oops. Sorry about that. That was the 7th time in about like 6 minutes. Zoom in a little bit. Sounds like Garrison. Just sounds like hearing Garrison, South Dakota just hit. That's where it is at. So also has some of that too. Oh, that's the 8th time now. Wow. And I did got that too. Okay, I better pay close attention on that. Yeah, I was probably going to do that again. Not yet. Which it's a will. Because that was the 8th time in this video. Oh, yep, I got that one. Yeah, it's on the left side of the top of the house. Oh my goodness. So that was like 10 times. Wow, 10 times. And I did got these two. Yep, there is lightning in the south. Wow, that's perfect to be recording this. Okay. Oh, yep, I got that one. That was the 11th time tonight. Wow, this is crazy. I was like, been like 9 minutes, and I just got 11 lightning strikes. If you're in one of those danger ones, stay away from windows, but I'm totally far away, so I'm totally alright. So I'm totally alright. Oh, there is again. That's the 12th time tonight. Let me do like 2.5 minutes more. Then it could be good. That's the 12th time. This is crazy. Oh, yep. There's probably A again here. If that's what that was. I don't know. Couldn't even tell. But I think that's the 13th time, I think. I'll just watch the video and see. But so okay, the hand is not in the way. If there's a more lightning in the south, which I already said that. It's probably going to happen it again. Okay. I'll do like, oh, that's a 14th time. Actually, that is the 13th time. I think that's the 13th time, I think. I know, I couldn't tell because I couldn't see because behind this tree. Because I couldn't even tell yet. Oh yeah, there's a lot of... Sorry. Trying to see the radar on this. I will show you this radar in just 30 seconds. So you know that what's going on. Yep, there is again. There's a lot of them. There's a lot of white bolts. There's some big bolts too. Okay, everyone, I'm gonna show you guys the radar here in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, this is what's going on. You see, look all those big white bolts. That's the lightning strikes, and that is what's going on here. So yeah, there's a lot of lightning bolts. White bolts. So yeah, this is definitely nuts. And I'm going to sign off for now. So thanks for watching. Have a great night.